We live, we live. I'm trying to set up this weird filter. Or I'm trying to get the chat, but more transparent. Trying to figure that out real quick. Yo, if you're in the chat, say what's up. So I can test this thing. Yo, yo. Bro, what the? Okay. Tweaking out a bit. Paul, what's good? Wait. I'm messing around with this chat thing. The hell? Yo, Alpha Code, what's good? Everybody's in here. We're gonna grind some algos. One sec. I'm just trying to get this thing working. Chroma key. What? Thing's tweaking. Okay, wait. Yo, how did these streamers get it like that? It's actually annoying. Yo, I gotta hold the GPT Pro 2. I'm gonna try it out. The GPT, this. That was LumaMax. Alright. What's LumaMax? What is this? I just want to remove all just straight black. See, select color. This color. Get rid of that. Bruh. You use Enterprise. Wait a sec. One sec. Almost done. Fix. Oh, because the. I need to get it on different. Bro, I'm just gonna update the CSS right here to make this look nicer. Oh, because it's on a black background. Give me a sec. We actually use like cursor and stuff. Oh, there you go. There you go. This is way better. Let me go. I need to go on dark mode. Yo, Alpha Code, they're forcing you to use Copilot? What's that? Quickly fixing up. That actually looks a lot better. Alpha Code, they're forcing you? They're forcing it upon y'all? Okay, there's a little bit better actually. There you go. How to get back into dark mode on LeetCode. My settings. To get this thing set up proper. There you go. Yo, I kind of stream around this time. Let's see how this looks like. Let's see if this even looks good with a LeetCode question. Nah, this kind of looks tweaked. How do these streamers do this? Okay, I'm gonna just... Good. I'm gonna do that. Yo, Alexander, then I'm gonna do it in the morning. Were you the one doing the Meta on-site interview? I'll stream in the morning. How'd it go? When did you do it? When's your full interview? Oh, okay. What level are you interviewing for? E5, E6? Damn. How many years of experience do you have? 16? Damn, that's crazy. Yo, Alexander, hit me up. I just went through the on-site too. I could tell you, I can give you some advice. Hit me up on Discord quick. We should run a mock or something. You want me to run a mock on you? Bro, it's loud as hell outside. Yeah, for sure. We'll run a bunch of mocks. Yeah. E6 is like staff level. That's crazy. E6 you make almost $1 million. Yeah, we should do a mock. Yo, dude, let's start off with some easy ones. at 1400. Which one should I do? Yeah, don't never like interview for the company you actually want to work for right away. Let me try one of these ones. Nah, honestly, you could just I would say interview companies you would want to work for still for sure. Like don't waste your time doing a ton of ones that you don't want to work for. But do the ones that you less prefer right away. Alexander, then how come you're still gonna go through with the interview? They're gonna put you through a lot. They're gonna put you through the grind. Mustard. Well, I need to quickly update. I have to give an update on my work stuff quick. Like let me bring up my work laptop real quick. I need to give a quick update. It's gonna take me like 30 seconds. Then we're gonna hop into this stuff. Give a quick update. Bruh. Gotta do what gotta do. Quick updates. Yeah, I don't. Yeah. But most companies won't ask you leak code questions. So it's like most questions won't just won't be like Facebook just spamming like make you do 2 leak code questions in span of 40 minutes. Okay, renege it if you have a better offer. What do you mean? Okay, wait. Let me send this update to my work quick. What did I finish this week? You know. You get 2 mediums in like 38 minutes, kind of thing. It's not that hard if you prepared for it though, because they ask standard ones. You just need to be able to type fast as heck. Yeah. Mustard. now search. You want to work at Coinbase? Coinbase pays good. Work-life balance. Work-life balance. Yeah, apply now. It's a good time. Yeah, apply now. Apply now. Yeah, side projects. Giving an update to my work right quick. Yo, you could dedicate all day. You got this, man. They might ask slightly harder because you're at a higher level, but he said 2 weeks, right? Yeah, hit me up. I'll do a mock on you. Okay, one update, good to go. No update. All right, okay. Let's get this work. I'm feeling. Let's grind some lead code. Give me a second. Yo, Alex, I'll stream early in the morning if you need it. Whatever works, man. I'm finishing my ice cream real quick. What is this? D1 string match. A permutation. Yes. Blender's like a mortgage thing, right? Wasn't it a mortgage? Alpha went to UC school, right? Yo, Alpha. Yeah, UC San Diego is good. Alpha, go refer Paul, man. Aren't you working like remote? Okay. Let's get this work. Let's get this work. Paul, go work at Blend. It's a good company. It's a really good fintech company. Alexander, how's that working out for you? Okay. Okay, we can do the following. Choose index 2. I see. I see. So delete this. Delete that. Can we do this with a stack? Or, let's see. We might just be able to do some counting. Choose index 3. Zero, 1, 2, 3. Every time we get to 3, we can minus by 2. I think all we literally need to do is count the frequencies, right? We just count frequencies here. So let's say we're just given this simple ABCs. We just count the frequencies of A's. Say A is 0, B is 0, C is 0. So A, we do 1. B, we go 1. A, we go 2. The moment we see A go to 3, we could reduce it to 1. Because that we could delete like one on the left and one on the right. Once we go to C, 1. B, 2. C, 2. B, 3. We reduce this to 1. B. I think all we need to do is simple countings. What do y'all think? Simple counting of frequencies. And then let's do frequency count. once it gets to 3, once we see the 3, if we could probably do a mod here, but let's just do this for now. Nice. Just counting frequencies. What's the solution? Yeah, they just mod. Use Bitwise? Hell no. Yeah, the problem's easy. Okay, let's ramp it. We're 1450 to 1500. This is like... Okay, let's do this. Holy crap. What are they doing to... Like, why is it... That's crazy. Alexander, like, what are they making him work on? Yeah, Alpha, and he has the same username. What are they making him work on for that long? The hell? You need to assign each city with an integer value from 1 to n, where each value can be used once. The importance of a road is then defined as the sum of the values of the two cities. Okay, I see. Wow, Alexander, that is nuts. That is crazy. That is crazy. That's pretty wild. GMT, who are you asking? The chat? Okay, you're giving a... Yeah, I have. You got questions or what? Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Each city with an integer from value 1 to n. Okay. What? Okay, maximize importance. Yeah, I've done meta. What did you ask? What did they ask you? Or how do you think you messed up? What they ask? What? For that question, do you have to solve it in a Do you have to solve it in a iterative post order, or can you just do a post order traversal, store it in an array, and then just pop it out one by one? Like, what solution do they expect? That's pretty hard. But like, what do they expect? I actually don't know. No, like GMT. What are we looking at? Post order or okay, let's look at this. Because this is one way you could do it. GMT, which would be like straight up when they initialize it, you just do an in order traversal or a post order traversal and store it in some order. And then whenever they call next, you just pop the element and consider. I feel like there's trade-offs. I think this way is faster because when they initialize it, then you literally have the, like, I guess it just uses up all the space right away, but the next is going to be a lot faster. They don't like this approach of just doing the in order completely or post order, pre order all the way right away. And whenever you call next, they do this. GMT. I'm not sure what they expect. How do we do that again? We pop. Oh. Let's see. How do we do that again? Do we have to use 2 stacks for that? The way I did it was kind of weird. I used a scene array. So basically what I would do is I put the element to the stack and I pop it out. if the candidate was seen, then I would add the value. Otherwise, I would add it to seen and put it back to my stack. This is how I did my post order. Did this work? What the? It makes sense. Wait. So what I do? So I start with the root. Pop that out. I'll say it's in scene. I'll go back. Then I'll put my left and right. Oh, I see. Yeah. I see. Because when I pop it back and I put my left and right, I won't visit it until... So you could probably do this with 2 stacks as well. I thought that they were cool with just this solution though. When I looked at the... the controlled iteration. Okay, you start with the leftmost. I see. But this is recursive in order. This is a bit different. Yeah. No, that's actually trippy. Yeah, just keep trying again. At least you got it on the... Yo, lead code is actually dumb, I can't lie. Like, this is just so random, but we gotta do it. That's crazy. He joined 7 minutes late, and the interview is pretty much only 45 minutes. That's pretty dumb. Yeah, GMT, you got this. Was it for intern position or what? SDE, okay, SDE 2. I see. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. I'll do this question in a bit. Let's figure out this one. Y'all thinking it's a greedy approach? Bro, I don't even get what the question is asking still. So we can get a total 43. GMT, ask it in the Discord. This is like public channel. Was that for the phone screen? I went through the on-site kind of thing, so. Bro, but was yours phone screen or on-site? And you're anonymized. I'm not anonymized. Yeah, mine, dude, on the on-site they make you sign an NDA. Mine is on-site. Like and for the phone screen, they actually don't they don't care if it's for phone screen, but for the on-site, they're way more strict. But like Paul knows what's it called. I'm not gatekeeping shit. Hit up on the Discord. Yeah, dude, this question is dumb. Um, yeah, literally all the questions are meta tag. Go on top 100, and they're all meta tag questions. Like kids are leaking it anyways. Find if a rake you're given. Bro, what? Any number of times return true if you can sort the array. Yeah, honestly, that's that's GMT. That's kind of a annoying question to get. I'd actually be triggered if I got that one. Bro, I don't want to count bits. Usually, yeah, that's kind of annoying. Shadi, what's good? What's the leak code daily today? Let's check it out. So a math question? Yo, that's sick, Shadi. Yeah, there's a lot of elitist people, especially in the Bay Area. I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot of elitist people. Can we put into contiguous substrings that the sum of the integer values of these substrings equal the sum? Dude, Vegas is lit. No way, Alexander, you're living in Vegas. I want to live in Vegas too. Bro, what is this thing asking? What is here? Such that the sum of the integer values of these substrings equals I. Oh, I see. I see. I see. Okay. Dude, what the hell? The sum of the integer values of these substrings. Okay. Okay, I see, I see. Holy crap. I see. One, since 1 times 1 equals 1, 9 times 9 equals 81. 81 could be partitioned into 8 and 1. Okay. 10, because since 100 could be 10 plus 0. Okay. I mean, the brute force would literally just be generate. What is this? Alexander, that's crazy. That is crazy. Do you see them? I see, I see. Do we just brute force it? Or is there like some mathematical... Bro, I think even just splitting this so that it equals... Dude, that's sick. Send it in the chat. Or not in the chat, like the Discord. That's crazy. But how do we check how to split this? Do we just try all the different splits? Do we just try all the different splits? Like try 1, 2, or 1, 2, 1... like backtracking, but trying the different ways to split the thing. Like, bro, even like trying to figure out if this can equal 36. Right? Yeah, like even trying to find if this could equal 36 is a question on its own. Like, what are the different ways you can split this? Oh, you can just split it into different ways possible? Yeah, you're right. Okay. I'll just write a I'll first write a... Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to loop from I to N. For I to reach N plus 1. What we're going to do... Yeah, okay, that's true. That is true. What do you mean only 12 numbers? Okay, now we need to figure out how we could split this in every possible way. The giveaway for needing to do backtracking is always having several different paths that have part of their routes in common. Wait, so what's the solution here? Am I going down the right approach? Like, we're trying to find how we could split the string, right? So we're given... Okay, how are we going to figure out how to split? So first, we're going to take 1. And then we're gonna take it, keep taking it and taking it. If we don't take it with this one, this is the base case. Um, or split in splits. So we increment the sum of splits here. Okay, now we just need to. Split. So we need to find all the different ways to split it. Either what we can do is if we can take it and add it to the current split. We add this to the current split. Add to current split. So if we see 1, we can try adding 1, 2, 9, and 6. Or we can create a new number, or we can choose to do 1 as a new number. If the length of splits is greater than 0, otherwise we're gonna. If the length of splits is greater than 0, what we're gonna do is splits. It is late. Splits at -1. Wait. Okay, what's the better? So how are we gonna split this thing? What do y'all mean we could do backtracking here? Do we just find like, okay, if I have 0 splits, if I have 1 split, I'll do here. If I have 2 splits, even backtracking this is kind of hard. I gotta put a timer. We're gonna spend about 20 minutes on each of these questions. If I can't solve it, move on to the next one. We do. What do you mean no cache DP? Okay, split. This is a bunch of coding. Yeah, you would have had to seen this right away to implement it fast. Okay. Okay, let's see. What do we have for our splits? Pretend we have our splits. Either we add or we create a new number. Or we do... We append. Add to the current split. It's -1. splits -1 equals splits -1 plus so we either take it as a new number or add it to the last one. I think this might work. Gonna crash out. Oh, what? No way that just worked. That's crazy. I just clicked run. Bro, I didn't even look. Okay, what's optimal here? Yo, there's like multiple answers to this question. Recursion strings. What? Okay, nah, this question is kind of... Alright. I'm gonna start asking this question in all my interviews. I'm gonna end up on blind if I do this. Okay. Number square can be split. Okay, it's just basically saying do an early stop. Bruh, 2D DP? That's torture. That is torture. Honestly, I suck at DP questions. I haven't trained that because the companies that I was looking at never asked me to do DP. But I need to ramp up on that. I'm gonna put my desk up. Dude, this question's dumb. Not a fan, not a fan. I'm too lazy to read the solution. Actually, let's read it. Let's learn something. If we repeatedly attempt to partition the same substring from the same index with the same, okay, we use to the start index and the sum. What? Okay, let's just look at the code. Okay, this question is like multiple questions in one. Okay, okay, what's optimal? What's optimal? Okay, we kind of did it the same way as them, but they just like optimized it a little harder. Frequency check. I see, I see. Nah, I don't know. I don't want to look at this any longer. Okay, I need some more good ones. Minimum penalty for a shop. Nice. I like these ones that are more like word problems. Okay, give me like a... Let me stretch out. Yeah, but the reason people never study them is because they're not asked as frequently. I've never been asked a bit manipulation question in my life, and I've interviewed at a ton of companies. And DP, I've been asked DP for sure, but very not that much. Right, be right back. We're gonna grind to like 1K questions solved. Alexander, I'll check it right now. That's so funny. Legend. Stay hard. Okay, you're so funny, man. I don't know. Usually, it depends if how much I care about the company. But getting a job offer is a big, big dopamine hit. It's like a crazy dopamine hit. Yo, that's a crazy dopamine hit. You're crazy, man. Okay, wait. I need to take like a 5 minute break, and then we're gonna. Everyone, look at this question and figure out how you're gonna solve it. I'll be right back. Dude, it's kind of cold. Just greedy here. You're giving a customer. You're given the customer visit log of a shop representing. For every hour when the shop is open and no customers come. Okay, you're given the customer visit log of a shop represented by 0 index customers consisting of only N and Y. If the ith character is Y, it means that the customers come at the ith hour. Whereas N, if the shop closes at I, the penalty is calculated as follows. For every hour when the shop is open and no customers come. Okay. For every hour when the shop is closed and customers come. Okay. Return the earliest hour at which the shop must be closed. Okay, we want to get the minimum. Okay, I see what it means. Mod, what's good? Yeah, Coding Jesus is actually hilarious, bro. I watch him a little bit too, but not too much. But Paul, I always see you on the chat. It's so funny. You ask if what's live, the chat, and he tweaks. Yo, Paul, you think you could outmath him or he'll outmath you? Coding Jesus. You think he's cracked at math or what? Okay. You think he's cracked at lead code? Or I heard him say he doesn't really like lead code. But if he works at a quant, he should know a bit of math, right? Okay, we can choose to close at the 0th hour. Okay. I feel like yeah. He works at lesser quants. Oh, I thought he was working at Citadel or something. He goes extra ham on his chat though. He's roasting the crap out of people. He calls everyone cook that hops on. For every hour when the shop is open and no customers come. So we just need to know the number of Bro, it's this stupid camera. It's the angle. If I go over here, I'll be good. It's all good. Maybe I'll put on a hat or something. Bro, he's probably making a bag off his YouTube though. That guy probably makes so much money off his YouTube. His YouTube is actually crazy. That guy could probably make 100K just off his YouTube. Yo, I look like an anime character or something. So for every hour when the shop is open and no customers come, the penalty increases by 1. For every hour when the shop is closed and customers come. Okay. So if I'm closed the whole time here. So closing the shop at the 0th hour, what is this? Yes means yeah, I'm gonna on this channel I'm gonna do a bit more side projects in a bit. I'll probably figure out some of the side projects I'm gonna work on this weekend and then just start talking about those too. Just so we're not spamming LeetCode questions, we actually talk about other stuff too. But a lot of people followed this channel because of LeetCode, honestly. Because those challenges that I've been dropping. Shop is closed. Okay, if we close at the 0th hour, we just need to know how many yeses. To the right. Is. Oh, I think we just need to count the yeses to the right. And then we just need to keep a count of no's. I think all we do is count. We need to know the count of yeses to the right, so we can kind of like, okay, let's just count the number of yeses, and then we could keep subtracting from those, and then we'll keep counting the no's, and then we keep track of some result. So pretend we have yes equals 3, and then no equals 0, right? Pretty much, if we say we close at 0, we have some result. We say result is equal to 3. Zubair, I'm not a genius for sure, brother. But what's good? Thanks for hopping in. If we go to yes, we drop to 2. If we have 2, basically what we'll say is, yeah, so result is 2. Say no. Close at 1. We have no 1. Are you sure you can do one pass? For every hour when the... I think I just need to count... I think I need to first count the yeses. How can you do it? But don't you need to know to your right how many yeses there are? Oh, okay, from the left side. You're saying from the left side. Let's see. Yeah, yeah, you can definitely go from the back. Yeah, you can definitely go from the back. So let's go. Let's count yeses and nos. Yes, sir, Afzal. I can definitely do one pass. I don't know, man. Let's just do. Are you sure there's one pass? Nah, it's cap. Cause yeah, but don't we need to do one pass to grab all the number of yeses first? Wait, cause what do we put here? If we if we close at this, yeah, we have to. We need to do one pass to get all to calculate the yeses first. So let's calculate yes equals 3. I don't even. I think we need to calculate. Um. Yes equals 0. No equals 0. Result equals. We're minimizing, so we'll start with float infinity. We'll do. I live like Union Square. I don't. I just said that publicly, but it's all good. I don't care. Someone catch me on the streets. Someone run up on me. For every hour when the shop is open. For every hour when the shop is open. Oh, we need to. Else. Um. Prefix of n and suffix of y. They're opening it. Bro, I don't know, man. Let's see. Say we count ones, right? So if we close at 0. So if we close at 0, right? What's the total result here? It's pretty much if we close at 0 for every hour when the shop is closed and customers come, the penalty increases by 1. Pretty much the number of yeses. I'll figure out how to. Okay, no penalty for every hour when the shop is open and no customers come. The penalty increase. Okay. How many no's? No. I just need to keep track of how many no's I've seen for every hour the shop is open. Okay. I'll just increment no's from here for I. So min of result, and yeah, we'll see. Maybe I can implement what's it called? Improve it after. But what are we doing if customers? Yo, Neil, you tripped me out for a bit. You're like one pass, and I tried to think about it. I almost got cooked. Um, what? So we know how many yeses. So if we close there, we just need to know what are the amount of yeses that were closed. If we go by a yes, we minus. Okay, this is 3. Honestly, what I've seen when I interview people is they try to do like one pass because they think that it's gonna improve the time complexity, but really it's like still O of n, and they end up making it way more complicated than it needs to be, and then they don't even solve the problem at all. So I would rather prefer someone just actually solve the problem during the interview than try to like do it optimally in one go. Like I've already seen that negative signal so many times. Do we increment this before? Oh, we have to do this before. What? Okay, we need to do a dry run. We need to do a dry run. Okay, we count with the 3 yeses. There was no. Okay, we start here. Closing the shop at the 0th hour. Pretend we close at the 0th hour. So customers come 3 times. Oh, I have to do this. If I have to do this earlier, I think. Like that. Okay. Dude, I'm off by 1. Wait, yes. Oh, I need to return the earliest hour. What am I saying? Okay, hold up. I'm dumb. I need to do result. Result is going to be different. Result equals I, lowest equals matchy dim. Yes. What? Zero, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. We have one more check after. Bro, why'd that question take me way longer than I needed? Okay, let's see what everyone was saying in the chat. 1 pass or 2 pass? The truth. 2 passes. 1 pass. 1 pass. How are you doing? 1 pass. Dude, Alpha, it took me like a second to code this up. Fuck. I don't know why my brain was not working. Oh, if I do this beforehand? What? This question's not even hard, but like... Oh, I see. Oh, they're incrementing. Oh, theirs is different. Theirs is different. Alright, let's move on to the next one. What was that rated? Let's do 1500 to 1550. Remote interval. Bro, they need to fix this dark mode. I see. This is a simple interval question. A set of numbers can be represented as a union of several disjoint intervals. Um, what is it? Let's get to 520 today. Get to 520. I see. It's to be removed. I see. Is to be removed just one? I see. Yeah, this is simple. This is a simple we just need to know what overlaps. So if my end date is with the start, I need to cut it. I need to cut my end to the start of this. Okay, and if it goes to negative, not appearing where? You can see it right there. You're showing there, right? Up here. Why'd you retract it? It just takes a sec. It takes a sec to load. Okay, so we're gonna do a simple. We're gonna show our answer here. So we're gonna loop through interval and intervals, and for each interval, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the start of it, or we're gonna take the end and try to chop it down. see. I mean, what are the different cases here? So I think there's multiple cases here. This is not leak code hard, it's a medium. Where'd you post it? Okay, let me check your solution. This is Alpha's solution. Shouldn't it be less than strictly? Like this. Oh wait. Oh, because you're going backwards. Oh, you're going backwards. Do you have to go backwards in order to do it in one pass or no? Let's go. Afzal, I don't have that many years of experience, but yeah. I'll do it. Afzal, we'll do some training because you won that giveaway. We're gonna start running that training ASAP. So we have multiple cases with this. We have it completely overlaps. Case 1. Case 2. So, okay, case 1, it completely overlaps like this. Case 1, it's first case. For start and in intervals if the end is less than or equal to be removed 0. So we're gonna if it's behind it, we're just gonna add it. elif the to be removed 0 is less than the end. That means it's overlapping. If it's less than the end. Else you could probably just like to be removed. Like we only want to capture it if it's overlapping. Something like that. So if it's overlapping, we have multiple cases. We could actually break it up into 2, or it needs to be broken up into 1. So if we break it up. Oh, this one's completely consumed. Okay, wait. Let me see. Okay. If the to be removed 0 is less than, is less than the end. It's not gonna, if it's less than the end, we're gonna go into there. Else, we could just do this. For this, okay. What about this one? So this one is less than the end. If the to be removed 0 is less than the end, okay. If it's less than the end, Yeah, intervals are given and sorted. Yeah, it's there's just some edge cases. If the end or everything looks easy and then you try to implement it and it's like there's some edge cases. It's not that hard. I just need to implement it, honestly. If start or start is greater. Like low-key, I'm just a little fried. It's pretty funny, bro. In some of my interviews, I was fried because I was just grinding too much lead code questions. You gotta come in optimal. It's not that hard. You're right though, but I don't know why I'm choking it out. This is more on me. Okay, if the start is greater than the end, we just answer. Okay, now we just have to handle the cases. Now we're kind of in between it, right? Okay, if Now, what are the different cases? So like, okay, we have let's pretend this is our to be removed, right? And then we have these, we have these, we have these, we have these, we have these. We kind of cancel these out. But pretend we have this. So that's one case. Then we have the ones that are right in the middle. And then we have the ones. Pretend we have multiple in the middle. The ones in the middle just disappear. And then the ones, if it's completely in between, we just make it disappear. But then this one, we would just actually just want a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Okay. So let's just handle those cases. If the start is greater than equal to, and I'm just choking, man. I'm just choking. I'm actually pissed. Okay. So this is, if it's in between, we just continue. We don't even add that. Right? Elif. Elif the start. If the start is I'm probably, there's probably some off by one errors here. If it's right in the middle. Oh my god. This is the one that splits is the annoying part. If the interval, okay. Dude, this is annoying. Okay, the one that splits is the annoying one. Paul, don't worry, I got this. Then we'll move on to some other hard ones. Okay, when we do, okay, this is another case. What is this case? If the start one, 5. If the end 5 is less than, if the end 5 is less than 2, no, yeah. We need to check if it splits. We have another case. Then we just need to split. Then we'll clean this up. This is kind of the hard part. I probably have an off by 1 issue here. 3, 5. What, do I just flip this? No, definitely not. Start. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I flipped this. Yeah. Bruh, I'm cooked. It's all good. We're gonna grind this out. What the hell? Okay, off by 1 issues. Just stupid closed brackets. I'm just gonna do it like this. If this is just a hack, bro. Let's see if this is gonna make it work for that one solution. Bro, I need to clean. That was just a hack. Okay, let's see how they did it. 4 situations as well. Why do they say this without considering O of n here? Yeah, but like still it requires space though. No, like yeah, that makes sense, Alpha, but I think the annoying part is different solutions say different things. Sometimes they'll be like O of n, sometimes they'll say it's not. Like some solutions will count this as O of n. Bro, that question's dumb, man. Okay, maximum network rank. Okay, y'all read this one. I'm gonna take like a quick breather. GMT's like, screw that question. Honestly, it's not bad, but it's just like my brain's not working. Like my brain's working on like zero drive right now, but we're still gonna grind these two. It's all rigged. Give me like everyone read this. Alpha, have you done this question yet? Give me like a few minute break. Holy crap, 1391. Yo, VLZ was good. Yo, I'm trying to catch up to you, Markel. Or Alpha. VLZ, what's good? What should I eat for dinner? Yo, VLZ. Yeah. Are you gonna interview Fang again? GMT, what's your Discord? Which one is you? What would you do? What do you advise for starting gym as underweight person? Bro, honestly, my advice is you're gonna have so much fun in your first year working out because you're gonna transform in literally just 1 year. But I would just start off making sure that I have the right form. But you're gonna make so much beginner gains. Yeah, just eat a lot. Markel, you're in the Philippines, right? Dude, the food in the Philippines is all fried and stuff. But what's it called? Why learn data structures from scratch? I think it just you don't really need to, but if you know the basic data structures like arrays, strings, heaps, linked lists, all those from scratch, you'll know how all the operations work, and it's just a good exercise. They're good leak code problems on their own. Like, I think it's a good exercise to help you learn how to code algorithms specifically. Wait, GMT, let me find you. You. Yeah, I think learn implementing it from scratch is a really fun, or maybe not fun, but a really good exercise to understanding the data structures under the hood. And a lot of questions are like, if you can implement a linked list or W linked list from scratch, and then they ask you LRU cache, you're easily gonna be able to implement LRU cache. You know what I mean? So implementing it from scratch is good. Alex, what's good? What is this asking? Okay, I see, I see. I see, I see. So we just need to count. LFU cache? I did that question so long ago. I like that question. It's actually a pretty decent question. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see this guy's meta interview experience. The meta project. Good, good. Merge K sorted list. They actually asked him that? Okay. The dude had an on-site loop on. So two coding, one system design. E4, E4. This guy's E4. Bruh, okay, no, that's a criminal. Bruh, but like, imagine having to implement merge case sorted list and LRU cache in one interview. But imagine, like, that's so much code. LRU cache is a bit, is so much code to write. Yeah, that's one interview. I don't know if they can use. I don't know if you could use order dick. I usually just implemented it using I usually for the LRU cache, I usually implement it all the way from scratch using a W linked list. This is the solution I usually like to do. I just implemented from scratch. Okay, his coding number 2 is pretty easy. Yo, look at this. So they asked him, the interviewer got interested about something in the resume and spent 10 minutes of the interview talking about it. Why would you waste any time talking to the interview? Now he cut his coding time to like 35 minutes. I mean, like, unless the interviewer was like, okay, I'm gonna go over, but I don't think that's a good strategy, bro. Design Instagram when identifying. Oh, they made him do quick select? Yeah, these are just basics. These are just basics. This one is kind of criminal though. They really want to see him fold. Yeah, that this one's easy. Like you can do this whole thing. Like this coding one is just tons of there's like a ton of code. Yeah, the dry running is annoying. Bro, even the interns, they even have the interns solving two mediums in the span of 40 minutes. What the heck is that? When I was in school, there's no way I'm solving that question. But yo, multiply strings is kind of hard. Yeah, I didn't even know about LeetCode. Multiply strings is actually kind of hard. Have y'all tried multiply strings? It's actually a good question. I mean, they don't really have all day on LeetCode because they also have school, right? Yeah, you can't use the... Yeah, they don't let you do that. I'm messaging GMT. I'm messaging you. I think. What's coding bat? No. That's cringe, man. Yeah, I'll multiply strings after this if they're an infrastructure. Oh, this is easy. We just parse an adjacency list. This is easy. We could do two passes. Pass the adjacent or parse the adjacency list. And then just do, okay, there are 5 rows that are connected to cities 1 and 2. Okay, yeah. This is easy. Pretty much we just build an adjacency list. So what we do is, what we'll do is, result equals, what were you doing, a maximum? Just number of connections to A plus number of connections to B minus 2. Do result max result like that. What? What? How do you even? Bidirectional row between. Okay. Why doesn't this work? Adjacency list A. Do I really need to? I really need to draw this out, huh? Oh, I see. Okay, so we just need to loop through all the different cities. What? Oh, if they're connected? Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, 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 you're right, you're right. Anthony, thank you, good sir, good sir. Did I time out? What? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely, definitely. You're right. You're right. Let me figure this out first. Oh, okay. Length of 1 plus 1. Should be here. Yeah, you're right. Alpha code. I'll optimize it in a sec. Let's see. Oh, why am I doing it through length of roads? It's N here. Tweaking. Tweaking. Okay, what's the optimal? Can you do it in one pass or it's two pass? Okay, good. One pass or two pass. Like that's the main conversation we've been having in the chat for a bunch of these questions. Like, should we do it in one pass? And then Alpha Co's like, bruh, stop asking that. It's actually so funny. Yo, Alpha, should we try one of those great front end questions? Is there a good one? That'll actually look fun. Let me make an account. Do I have to pay for it right away? Yeah, at least a year is usually good. Do we need to re-render? Okay, wait, let me shut down. Okay, this is a bit... I actually like this more than LeetCode a little bit. You learn a little bit of front end. Don't be a hopper. Dude, how did I make this in dark mode? Yeah. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, on click, set count equals count plus 1. Okay, we have our file explorer. We have our index. Okay, it's just simple React. Okay, let's build a to-do list. Yo, Ankush, what's up? Happy Valentine's Day. Yeah. Paul, don't you have a computer science degree, right? Oh, I see. I see. I see. We're just building a simple to-do list. We should be able to delete these, so I'll do. Um, building a simple to-do list, or probably has some key. How long? Oh, their offer. What's it called? Um, I didn't even know Amazon does team matching. Yo, Paul, you just graduated a year ago. When did you graduate again? We're gonna do controlled state. Let's put. Damn. We're gonna store. What? We're probably gonna want to store something like. In the list of items, we're probably gonna store. What do we want to see? Shit, I should have took a picture of what it should be before. Okay. Walk the dog, delete. Oh yeah, it's just a list of let's see. Um, Simple to-do list, walk, run. Now we need to input I just want to build a simple control component. Like the text. What's the value? The value. Sorry. If what is it complaining about? On click. Wait. Oh, so dim. So on click if there's input text. Otherwise. This is called great front end. Great. It's actually good. It's called great front end. Yeah, alpha. That would be like optimal solution. Probably. You're right. If you delete. Um, a filter. Just that. This. There you go. I don't know if this is optimal. Need form for enter submit. What? What do you mean? Wrap input plus button? Yeah, okay. Into a form and put the on submit in there. I see. How can you just use a form? Like this? Usually I use like some form builder library. Usually or I use a form library, but let's go. Yo, Alpha, you're cracked that front end too, huh? I'll try the dice one after. So, okay, let's wrap everything into a form. What'd you say? What? Why is it up? What is it doing now? Yo, Alpha, this is causing a... Oh, because the form submission. We need to prevent default. Yeah, we need to submit. Yeah. Where do we do that again? Here? On submit? See, now Markel's engaged. Unexpected character line 8. What? Oh, okay. Why is that an error though? No way. This guy's a demon. I'm literally doing that, bro. What's going on? I see. Does debugger work here too? Oh, we need to do e.target maybe? What? What is this complaining about? Bro, this is going straight to GPT. This is when you use GPT. Oh shit, I need to give the whole thing. What am I saying? Mike, what's good? I did that. What? What was I doing before? Dude, what's going on? I guess I need to name it event. Why does that even? How does that even make sense? Oh, maybe it overlaps with some. How does that even make sense? Is E a reserved word? Yeah, it is. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, something's up. Wait, what's going on? What did I change? Bruh. I think this website is tweaking out. Yo. Where do you do the other questions? Okay, I see. I just want medium. Six-sided dice. Okay, six. I don't know, man. Front end is still. I don't know if it's 90% of GPT, because the code base, the front end code bases are freaking huge when you're working at these companies. Like if you're working for like Meta or something, the front end is crazy big. Like honestly, doing both, I think they're equally just as hard. And I see a lot of back end engineers just straight up never want to touch the front end because they think it's too hard. So it's like it's all about your preference. Like just because you don't like, front end engineers are just as good as back end engineers. Yeah. It all depends on like what you decide to go into. Like if you're a legend on the front end, you can make some beautiful websites and beautiful interactions and beautiful animations and stuff. Like bro, OpenAI is hiring front end engineers for like 500K. Yeah. Yeah, you can get like 500K for front end Fang for sure. Let's do. Nah, Paul, don't worry, man. This conversation happens in the office right all the time. It's like, oh, I don't want to do front end. Oh, I don't want to do back end. But honestly, what I found though is most people are actually allergic to. Just use the image. Why not we just build the dice ourselves? Isn't that more fun? Let's just build the dice ourselves. What's the fun of I'm gonna put everything into one file and then we'll figure out how to do it after. And then we'll split it after. stop. What? Nice. What are we gonna do? Let's see. Border. And I'm gonna pull this out in a second. And we'll get back. We gotta be well-rounded, full stack. I actually don't know how I'm gonna do the dots yet. Yeah, maybe some math for the coordinates, but okay, let's quickly do a form. Text. Submit. Value. Roll. Rules. Yeah, I wish I could do it in TypeScript so I can practice on TypeScript. so much boilerplate. Set value. We'll do. What if they put a number? What are we gonna do with that number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Type of number, value, on change, set value equals. I see. We need to convert. Why do we have to do that? It's annoying. Create a dice. I'll fix that. I hate this refresh on the screen, but yo, this is so much boilerplate. This is so much. Yeah. This literally needs to. AI needs to automate this, bro. This is crazy. This is crazy. Like, this is way too much boilerplate. I see. You have to do something like this. Nice. What we're gonna do is when we set the dice, we're gonna set a random integer. After the floor, you take a random. How do you for loop in JavaScript again? Like this is old school. Shit. Nice. Nice. Okay. Now to the hard part. Oh shit. I had to put this play flex here. Okay. How are we gonna do the CSS, boys? Flex wrap. Nice. Okay. Grid instead of the... Yeah, it makes sense. This is so funny. For what? Are you talking about for the dots? Okay. Ha- uh, we need to make it look in this specific way though, right? Let's just do this for now. We need to make a good circle. Who said that? Someone pulled up and said that? What do I do for fill? Bro, what the hell? Put a dot on the page. What's going on here? Is 10 pixels too little? Oh my god. Bro. You're right. I'm actually cooked. And then we're gonna fix this up in a sec. What's happening to these ones? This is disgusting. What? The dots should wrap. Oh no, I put it in the wrong spot. I know I could do this in short form. Okay, we need to do grid, you're saying? This looks like the ugliest dice I've ever seen. Low key, actually, the best solution in production might just be to have images or SVGs here instead of doing it in CSS. Like if we were really to talk about what would be good in production, it might actually be better, more optimal to use SVG or something. I don't know. What do y'all think? Yo, Alpha, how did you do it? I see, I see. Okay, you kind of did the same one. Our code is a little bit similar. Yours is nicer for sure. Okay, you're passing in the grid. Interesting. I see. I need to learn grid more. Okay, I'm gonna do. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Okay, Alpha, I'm gonna fix this up tomorrow. This is looking beautiful. Yo, thanks for showing this website. I'm gonna stream early tomorrow. How many questions we got done today? 4 questions online? 5? Nice. We're gonna keep grinding. Maybe we'll do the lead code contest tomorrow. Yo, Alpha, are you gonna do the lead code contest tomorrow? Yeah, it's pretty fun. Okay, I'm actually gonna do the lead code contest tomorrow for fun. But yo, everyone, thanks for hopping on the stream. That was a good 4 hours of just grinding and learning a bunch of stuff. I'll see y'all in the next stream. Have a good night, everyone. Peace.